Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Krusteaz waffles, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of Krusteaz Belgian waffle mix, 1 cup of cold water, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Don't forget 1 large egg to enrich your batter. Make sure your waffle iron is preheated to its desired setting, usually medium-high, for optimal results. Now, let's create that perfect waffle batter. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the 1 1/2 cups of Krusteaz Belgian waffle mix with 1 cup of cold water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and your 1 large egg. Whisk these ingredients together until the batter is smooth and any lumps have disappeared. Remember, it's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will help ensure your waffles are light and fluffy. With your batter ready, it's time to cook those golden waffles. If your waffle iron isn't nonstick, lightly grease it with a little cooking spray or oil. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter directly onto the center of the hot waffle iron. Gently close the lid and allow the waffle to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. The cooking time may vary slightly by iron. Once your waffle is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the iron using a non-metal utensil. Now comes the best part: serving. These delicious Krusteaz waffles are best enjoyed immediately. Top them with your favorite syrup, fresh fruit like strawberries or blueberries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade, warm, and crispy waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.